I want to give you a glimpse today of a highly recommended course management system that we have available at our school called Google Classroom. And if you haven't already started using it, I'm sure you will be soon. I have a view here of my Google Classroom, and as you see, there's several classes that I've been working with. For those of you who have never used it before, your view will be a little bit different as you set it up. You can certainly ask your technology integration specialist for assistance in going ahead and setting it up, but it's a rather intuitive and easy process. You will essentially set up a different classroom for each class that you have, and you will be given a code which you can then give to your students, and they can join your class. And once you have your classes set up, your view will be like mine. You'll have the several classrooms here, and you can go ahead and get into your class itself. And here's where I can show you how the interface works. You'll see that what we have are various, and in this case, daily postings, where you can show your students, can give them some news, some announcements. You can give them some assignments. You can ask them some questions. And the students, what they can do is respond to you. They can have discussions. They could submit work all through this one main page here. As a teacher, you will be creating these announcements, assignments, questions with the plus button here in the lower right hand corner. And here are your options. Announcements are great for just really getting news out, or for starting a class discussion informally. If you'd like to do something a little bit more formal that you might view as a formative assessment, I would suggest you use the Create Question button. That will let you know who has completed the work, and it will also let you set some restrictions on the students. For instance, they may not be able to see the other students' responses. You might allow them to go back and change their responses. You will have a little bit more control with the question option. And then there is the assignment option, which is right here, and that will allow you to assign either a class activity or a homework activity, or something even larger like a summative term paper. And you can have students submit their work really with any application. They could attach that and send it in to you. What's great about the assignment and the question feature is that it also includes within the course management system some options for you to do some grading. So you can do that all within Google Classroom. Now I just want to show you a couple of the other options here. We have two other pages. The students page, which is a listing of all of your students, and an opportunity for you to go ahead and email them either individually or all at a time. And that's essentially what's on this second page. And then there is the About page, which allows you to link to maybe an external website. It also gives a direct link to the folder created in Google Classroom for your students. And it's also a place to kind of act as a library. You can add materials here that maybe you want students to go ahead and be able to access throughout the semester or year, whatever it may be. Essentially, you're going to be working in the main page, though, in the stream page. And I really feel like you are going to easily adopt Google Classroom. I hope you give it a try.